and welcome back to my channel. I am Gigi Faison. You guys, I have a very last minute invite for all of you. Now, if your front porch or your front entranceway or entryway looks anything like mine and need a sprucing up, then I invite you to join myself and my sister, Mari Keys of Happy Home Decor, in an open invitation to share how you clean or decorate your front entranceway for the spring. Now, as I said, last minute, but sometimes that's how we operate the best, at last minute. So I'm inviting you to join us on Sunday, March the 7th. Yeah, that's this Sunday, March the 7th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And all we ask to do is just show how you are cleaning or how you plan to decorate or how you want to spruce up your front entranceway or your front porch for the spring season. So we, Mari Keys and I, would like to say we thank you for joining us on this open invitation. Now you guys, my front entranceway and my front porch is just so blah. I am ready for spring. So we would love for you to join us. And again, just clean or decorate or both your front porch, your entranceway, and upload on Sunday, March the 7th. Now all we ask that you do is to be subscribed to both of our channels and have fun cleaning or decorating. That is it. Playlist link will be left in the description box on that day. And we ask no early uploads, but join us and have some fun. Thank you all so much. Now, if you're new to my channel and you would like to become a part of course, right now, you can go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, tap the notification bell, join us on Sunday, March 7th. Be blessed, you guys, and I thank you to all of my loyal subscribers, those of you that show me so much love and support me. I thank you and I appreciate you. Goodbye for now and see you on Sunday, March 7th. Be blessed. Oh, and by the way, if you don't want to participate, then just show up and show us some love by viewing our videos and those of the other creators that may be participating. Thank you guys so much.